Here we have been given that there is a ball and the ball is moving initially at a speed of 28 meter per second. So the ball is moving at the speed here and this is hitting the walls at 45-degree. Even after hitting, it is able to rebound with the same speed and at the angle of 45-degree with respect to the wall. So in this case, considering the mass of the ball, which is given to us as 0.06 kilograms, we need to figure out the magnitude as well as the direction of the impulse that is given to the ball. So we need to figure out the impulse given to the ball. So for this, we have to first project the velocities along the directions which is horizontal and the vertical here. So